In this video, I'll show you how to verify your age on Roblox. First of all, you need to log into your Roblox account. I suggest you to use your mobile phone because it will be much more easy in that way. So first of all, log into your account, then click the gear icon in the top right corner and go to the Roblox settings. When you scroll a little bit down right here, we'll see your age group. As you can see, mine is 21 plus, but I have not verified the age yet. There are two options. You can continue with camera and take a selfie. They will scan your face and detect your estimate age. Or you can do it with your national document, for example, international passport, driver license, or ID card. You need to choose which option you want. For example, you can choose continue with camera. It opens your web camera or your mobile phone camera. You need to take the selfie, upload it, wait a few minutes, and your account will be verified. Or just click on continue with ID. Choose the document type. There are three options: driver license, national ID, or passport. Get your phone ready to take the photo. Choose the document and start taking the photo, guys. If you choose national ID, you need to first of all take the front view and then the back view, then click the continue, and your account will be verified. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.